Hey folks, temperatures bounce back across the valley this afternoon. Most of us climbing into the 70s, at least for a time. It's still there in McAllen, Edinburgh, and Rio Grande City. Lower Valley has already dropped back into the upper 60s, but readings are not going to go down all that much tonight. Our lows are going to be in the low 60s in the east, maybe 59 in Rio Grande City. Southeast winds will diminish a little bit, about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And then tomorrow, a little warmer than today, with readings climbing to 80 or so, give or take a couple, with the wind continuing out of the southeast at 10 to 20. Should be plenty of sunshine, but that breeze will be noticeable tomorrow. Humidity will come up a little bit tomorrow as well. So we're at 80 tomorrow. Then a front comes in, and look at that. Wednesday, only 61, and we've actually taken that number up from where it was last week and over the weekend, because it looks like now by Wednesday afternoon we should get back into some sunshine, and that will warm us back into the 60s. But in the morning, could be kind of nasty with temperatures early in the 50s. Then we bounce back to 68 degrees on Thursday, and we'll be right around that 70-degree mark for the next several days. Not much on satellite today, and Future Track says it stays pretty quiet most of the night, during the daytime tomorrow as well. Tomorrow a breezy day, plenty of sunshine most of the day. A few clouds may begin to show up in the western part of the valley late in the day, but that's about it. But then tomorrow night into early Wednesday, you see showers begin to show up along, ahead of, and behind the cool front. Cool front due probably right around dawn, give or take an hour or two. And again, the clouds and showers may linger for a time behind it, but by the middle of the afternoon, I think most of us clear out. Maybe some leftover clouds along the coast, but they will push out as well. So by evening, we all should see a pretty nice sunset Wednesday. And then Thursday looks like a pretty day as well. We start really chilly, and we'll talk more about that, but we're going to end up with sunshine and temperatures warming back up Thursday afternoon. So your rain chances during the daytime tomorrow, nothing. But tomorrow night, overnight showers, 20%. Tomorrow night into early Wednesday, probably before noon. And then Thursday we're dry as the moisture moves back out. Rest of Texas, pretty mild day today. 56 in Dallas, 63 both San Antonio and Austin. Same thing in Abilene, even Dalhart in the 60s this afternoon, with clouds in North Texas, sunshine in South Texas. There's fronts on the weather map, and the first one due in the valley again, not tomorrow, still to the north of us. We have a southerly wind taking our warm air and sharing it with East Texas and pushing that warm front out of here. In the meantime, the chillier air moves in early in the morning on Wednesday. Notice how there's rain all around that front. We're not talking about big time rain. We're talking about light rain and drizzle. And again, maybe a 1/10 of an inch in the west, eastern part of the valley, maybe as much of a quarter of an inch. Back into the clouds, though, pretty sharp. And by the time you get to middle of the afternoon, that has moved all the way offshore. So we end up with sunshine here. That front moves away. Another front shows up on the map, kind of a complicated system by Thursday into Friday. But eventually, it pushes a weak front through here on Friday. That one will probably just reinforce the air mass that's here. Not make it dramatically colder, but just keep it from warming up all that much in time for the weekend. If you're headed to the coast, small craft advisory kicks in at midnight tonight. Southerly winds 15 to 25 knots with a rough bay. UV index is high. There's a high rip current risk. There's a tide. There's another tide. Seas 6 to 10 feet. Really kicking up pretty big out there. So tonight, 60 for a low, mostly clear, breezy, and relatively cool. Southeast winds. And then tomorrow, southerly winds most of the day, gusting to about 30. Plenty of sunshine, a breezy and warm day. Just patchy clouds showing up late in the day. Those clouds could turn to showers tomorrow night, early Wednesday. First half of the day Wednesday, maybe some showers, but by afternoon, sunshine. Note this number, Thursday morning, 33. The traditionally colder spots in the valley could see some near readings at or below freezing, just a little bit, not way below. Then 68 on Thursday. We kind of hover right around 70 after that every day, with nighttime lows climbing back up. So that's the coldest night of the bunch, Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Daytimes look pretty good with some sunshine each day. By the time you get to the end of the forecast period, we're back in the 70s again. Tomorrow the warmest. Looks like Thursday morning probably the coldest. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.